Photoshop. So this is the label design for Shito, Mami Vides Shito. Yeah, everything is natural. So as you can see, everything is well arranged, everything is editable, as you can see. Sure, everything is well arranged and everything is well organized, as you can see. Yeah, the size is 4 by 4 inches and the resolution is 300 ppi. Yeah, so if you want this PSD file, the link is in the description. Yeah, you just go and download it and use it. Sure, everything is perfectly arranged. Come on. Pretty good. So you can change the image inside. Yeah, perfectly one, as you can see. Better. So the link is in the description. Yeah, you can go and take it, go and use it in your project. So this channel, as you are on it, please subscribe to the channel, so that on this channel, let me be frank with you, on this channel, every design that we be doing over here, you are going to have access to the PSD file for free. I mean free. Sure, but remember the PSD file is protected, so you have to watch the video to the end, then you get the password inside. Sure, everything is perfectly nice. Come on. And also, if you want me to show you the procedure that I used to design this, you can comment. You can let me know in the comment section. Yeah, this is my number, so you can WhatsApp me, then we vibe perfectly. Everything is pretty good. Sure. So this one, you can export it as PNG and then you use it. Product label. This is Shito label design. Round label. Come on.